Bonjour, je m'appelle Stacy. Today we're going to practice les couleurs in French, the colors. After each color, I'll pause for a moment so that you can practice saying it. Let's begin. Rouge, bleu, jaune, vert, noir, blanc, violet, marron, gris, rose, orange. Let's practice the colors now with a song. You'll be familiar with the tune Frère Jacques. Normally I would sing a line and you would sing it back to me, but since I'm not with you, I'll sing both parts. You can listen to me sing the first part and then join in after. Red is rouge, red is rouge, blue is bleu, bleu is bleu. Yellow is jaune, yellow is jaune, green is vert, green is vert. Black is noir, black is noir, white is blanc, white is blanc. Purple is violet, purple is violet. Pink is rose, pink is rose. Gray is gris, gray is gris. Brown marron, brown marron. Orange is orange, orange is orange. Shout bravo, shout bravo. Here's a game called Les Couleurs, which you can download by going to the description of this video on YouTube. Once you have downloaded it, you can either print it or leave it on your tablet screen to play as if it were a game board. You will need counters and a dice. Let's go over the vocabulary. Start on the box that says départ and finish on arrivé. The vocabulary just underneath arrivé, we have here passe un tour, means you lose a turn. Relance le dé, take another turn. Quel dommage, what a pity. And quelle chance means how lucky. If you land on quel dommage, you have to follow the lightning bolt down to the square that it points. If you land on quelle chance, you get to follow the arrow and go forward wherever it's pointing. To win, you simply have to be the first person to land on the last square, arrivé. Remember to practice saying the color that you land on. The winner is the person who gets to the end first. Bonne chance!